production center na initiative of our Wake and See Governor, Mr. Godwin Obaseki. Na initiative wey don put to tanda well for people where they manufacture anything for Edo State, manufacture or produce anything for Edo State. So wetin this center get, wetin this facility get, na facilities where people where they produce, whether na welders, whether they be carpenters, or whether they be printers, whether they produce shoes, bags, clothes, anything where they produce for Edo State. Our governor won't carry the production center go at least 6 locations for all the senatorial district for Edo State. If you see this place, you see say the kind, even the power where they provide for this place, now the kind of power where we carry heavy equipment and machinery. I go take you around, make I go show you all the things where our governor, our Wake and See Governor, don't provide for manufacturers and artisans in Edo State. Center get this place where they call the shed. This is say we don't bring power outside, so they think ventilation where the welders and the fabricators will use to do their work. Just, oh, I get space where they work from, where I get 24 hours left, but access to finance for my business. I won't buy machine, I won't buy equipment where I no fit afford by myself. I want place where if I dey work, people go, they come find me for the thing where they do, say, oh, you they do this thing, we won't work with you. So we don't make sure, say, people where they this production center, clients no be their problem, because people go, they come here, come find them. Say they need money to expand their business, they go get them for here. Waiting anybody where they production and manufacturing they find. Partners like Bank of Industry and so many other partners, they with us, they tanda gidigba. People don't request space for this production center, and many people don't already get their space, don't even secure their space. So for example, this block where we just finished, this is block 1. For this side, we get people where they do printing, we get welders, so overall, we don't get almost 500 people already. And then are just for the phase 1. Executive Governor of Edo State and the CBN Governor, Mr. Godwin, don't reach Edo Production Center. They dey here now because of the fact, say, the CBN don't recognize, say, Edo State, they key into the power of investment to create jobs and to drive the economy. That one means, say, don't recognize, say, the governor of Edo State, they do the right thing, and if they passionate and they want invest, they want partner with Edo State to ensure, say, jobs there, investment there, and the people where they work, their businesses they grow. So we advise everybody out there, make una key into this project now, because all the attention where they Nigeria, all the people where they federal or state, or where they talk about investment and promoting small business, Bank of Industry, all of them don't see, say, Edo Production Center, na the way to go.
State government for what it has done here. The biggest problems that SMEs face: 1, access to finance, and 2, access to, even when you have finance, you want to have a place where you can do your business with constant electricity. What Edo State government is doing by creating these hubs is to make it easy for people to have a place where they can do business. There will be electricity. You don't bother yourself with how to find electricity, how to buy a generator, how to buy a diesel, and the rest of them. You are a mechanic, you are a carpenter, you are a baker, you do different types of SME businesses, you can have a place where we can. And for us at the CBN, it makes it easy in the sense that we have a place where we can meet people. The issue is, yes, access to finance, which is what we're trying to deal with effectively. And like I keep saying, the deposit money banks, the microfinance institutions are primarily the institutions that are set up to do this. But in order to make sure that we complement their effort, the Central Bank of Nigeria, in collaboration with the Bankers Committee and the NISAL, has set up the National Microfinance Bank. So far, we have almost close to about more than 20 that is distributed all across the country, and I'm sure that Edo State will also have its own share of the National Microfinance Bank. What does it entail? You want to have your BVN, you're properly registered, and you go to a microfinance institution in the state. They will contact the Central Bank of Nigeria on your behalf. You will apply. The important thing is that you take a loan and be ready to pay.
If you recall, during my electioneering campaign, I did promise that within a 4-year period, we will create a minimum of 200,000 jobs. We didn't expect that these jobs will be created from government. Our plan and anticipation is that it will be created from industry by providing opportunities for industrialization. So specifically in this hub, what we have done is to create the enable environment for small-scale businesses to come here and produce at a lower cost. This facility, as you know, used to be government printing press, which was abandoned. We've rehabilitated it, we've re-roofed it, refurbished it, put in electricity. And the whole idea is that you will have 24/7 dedicated electricity supply here. So if you're a carpenter, you're a welder, you're a baker, whatever business you are, you don't have to now deal with those high initial setup costs of providing your electricity, providing water, providing security. All that is going to be taken care of here. We expect that by the second week in June this year, this place should be ready for business.